stations, just an update. Got the Ngati Pride, 2 males, 4 lionesses, 1 sapodol, 2 small cud on River Road West Junction, Leopard Loop on Boston. I'll put a location pin on the group. Good day, can you see? Sorry, I'm not in the best position, yeah? So I have to move around to give that lady space. I'm just going to get there, but try. No, that's funny male.
Hey, boss.
Okay, so they are literally Junction River Road West, Junction Leopard Loop, just off onto Leopard Loop. They are finishing off something small that they've been eating, or the remains of something. That scruffy male is here, and there's at least 1, 2, 3 adults, and there's 2 tiny cubs that we can see as well.
6 adults.
6 adults.
Yeah.
Okay, copy that. I'm about 20 minutes out, so do you mind if I make my way there?
Yeah, no problem. I'm going to put a location pin on the Pride and Tomo group.
That's perfect, thanks.
Okay, what's the makeup them for? That's not close to the food there. I'm an adult 6. How many are there in total? Fuzzies? Yeah. One male. 2. There's the big one here as well.
He's staying long, sort of just an in and out.
Okay, I've got your visual. Just look towards your southwest, you'll see where we are.
Copy, thank you. I'll be there shortly.
We will probably need to make way when Christelle comes in because of time.
Yeah.
Well, I'll say, the
Wow.
last hurrah.
Yeah.
What a fitting parting gift for you. A very quick team effort, yeah.
What is she chewing
nice.
on there?
I don't know, I've been there.
Like a warthog face or something.
Maybe it's a warty.
Yeah. So it's carnassials.
Milk, mum. Not just meat stuff, milk. I love milk more than Morris loves milk. You know what we did before? At Londos, you also, when you get into sightings, the tracker climbs into the car. Eh?
Yes, when it's too thick, but if it's too open like that, it's fine. This distance will be fine. But if
No,
you would
all sightings, the guy
in.
come into the car. Not necessarily for safety reasons, but
yeah,
sometimes you follow these things and then you go.
Yeah, if there's
That's a warty.
if there's a
Warthog
chance,
face.
is it if
Yeah,
is she chewing on a warthog face?
Warthog face. Having a bit of cheek there for breakfast.
Georgie, just come in slow. Lioness is right below this knob thorn. She is a bit growly with the cubs close to them.
Copy, will do. I'll keep my distance. I'll just turn onto the road here and park myself a bit further.
She's just coming to check. Okay, what's our time? How much time do we need to get back? 20 minutes.
20 minutes or so. We need to be in camp at 8.
It's half past now. 5 minutes and we need to leave. Okay. Good.
Oh, he's got up.
Sorry. This is a funny looking thing. A couple of lionesses broke away with a bunch of youngsters. Called them the Ngati breakaway pride. They lived separate, occasionally joining up with them. And then there's another lioness called Lagatha, who operates by herself. Her mum was killed when the previous males came into the area and they killed her mum. And she was like this side, this Sabadon. She parked there at leopard dam and she charged like mongoose and tortoises and stuff. And she will still kill some leopards. We check this thing, she behaves like a leopard. You get her, she's barking in a marula tree sleeping.
Oh,
Now she's big now, she sometimes joins up with the pride, but she operates very much by herself.
okay.
And that breakaway pride, I went into the Air Force base. A couple of them got hammered by these guys when they came in. And I don't know, what happened to the breakaway? They were just familiar, well, they're all dead. I know these guys killed 1 or 2 of them, that I know.
Yeah, some of them maybe gone.
But then they just disappeared, so I'm sure they maybe gone further east.
Pushed. Yeah.
Or they did.
Once my leg.
Just take stock. All the cats that we've seen. And dogs. We have got 4 dog sightings if you count the one on foot. It's our second lion sighting. Was it the third? Second, yeah. We had those males and now we've got the whole pride again.
Crossing into Boston at Green Tanks.
And then we had 2 different individual leopards. 3 sightings.
Not bad for 5 days.
Look,
Pretty solid.
That's not normal.
We're not normal.
Copy that.
Yeah. So again?
How are you from there, Georgie? Silly, I will check you guys later.
So this is a continuation of the habituation process to cars. Believe me, the people on foot won't get this close. This lioness will come thermonuclear at you. The one thing you don't want to encounter on foot is lions with small cubs like this. Luckily we're not, we got a nice straight road back to camp. We can haul it. Go Jasper style.
There we go, now we're going to get Millie.
I was going to take a quick video while we unfortunately gonna start moving out.
So what do we have? 2 males. How many females?
There's four females, and then there's the one sup adult. Well, it's not like a sup adult, it's like an older cub.
Yeah.
And the 2 small cubs, and then the 2 adult males.
Okay.
It's essentially, basically the whole pride. In its current. No, there's lionesses missing. There must be more lionesses. I think there's 6 lionesses at the moment in total in the pride.
Well, there was that other.
Yeah, there's other tracks going that way as well. Yeah.